Hello everyone, welcome. Myself Akshay Baban Gangawane, studying in B.Sc third year Adarsh College, Hingoli. Today I am discuss the differences. The operator delta consider a function y equal to f of x, consider a consecutive value of x differing by h, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 4h. The corresponding value of f of x are f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h, f of a plus 4h. Now then the second is the value of independent variable is called argument, and the value of dependent variable, that argument is called the entry. The differences between the consecutive value of independent variable is called interval of differencing. Argument and entry and interval of differencing discuss. Then the next is first differences. The differences f of a plus h minus f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, etc. are called first differences of f of y equals to f of x. Denoting these differences delta f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h, delta f of a plus 3h, etc. Then the second is second differences. We have delta f of a equal to delta f of a plus h minus f of a, delta f of a plus h equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, delta f of a plus 3h equal to f of a plus 4h minus f of a plus 3h. The differences of first difference is called as second differences. Therefore the delta square f of a equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a, delta square f of a plus h equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h, delta square f of a plus 2h equal to delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h. The differences of the second differences is called third differences. Then the nth, similarly the nth is delta raised to n f of a equal to delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus h minus delta n minus 1 f of a. The operator delta is called the forward differences operator. Forward differences operator. Then the next one is identity operator. An identity operator, an operator which is such that the function all it operate leaves the function unaltered, is called identity operator. That is I f of x equal to f of x. Then the next is displacement operator. An operator E called the displacement operator, defined by the equation E of a equal to f of a plus h. Operator E is also called as shift operator. Then next one is relation between operator. Delta f of a equal to f of a plus h minus f of a equal to E f of a minus I f of a, delta f of a equal to E minus I f of a equal to delta f of delta equal to E minus I or E equal to delta plus I. E square f of a equal to E in bracket E f of a. Similarly E cube f of a and e raised to n f of a. Inverse operator. The inverse operator E inverse is defined by, that is E inverse in bracket f of a bracket close equal to f of in bracket a minus h bracket close. Then the next one is note. E square f of square does not equal to e into f whole square. Let f of x equal to x. E square f square x equal to e square x square equal to e in bracket e bracket x square bracket close equal to e x plus h whole square equal to x plus 2h whole square. E into f whole square equal to e x whole square equal to x plus h whole square implies as e square f square does not equal to e into f whole square. Thank you.